my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're bringing back a series from back in the day on my channel called 5 Product Face, and it is exactly what it sounds like. I do my entire look using only 5 products. This isn't meant to be a crazy challenge or anything like that. It's really to showcase great high-performing multi-use type of products. I also really created this series to just show a different type of makeup here on YouTube. We often see these really complex, really artistry driven, really product driven type of looks, and you know what? I love those types of things too. Sometimes I like to just pull out a ton of makeup and sit here for an hour and just play with different products and combine them. I absolutely love that, but I think there's a lot of that here on YouTube, and I really want to show something that's a little bit different, a little bit simpler. You don't need 25 products to do a no makeup look. And if you like to do that, then I think that's great. I think there's definitely a place for that in the world. But I really just want to carve out a place for this as well, which is something a little bit more pared down, a little bit simpler, and a little bit more multitasking type of product driven. My previous 5 product face videos were not very glam looks, so I wanted to do something a little bit more glamorous, a little bit more colorful, and you really can get beautiful, bold, fun looks without using a million products and without spending $1 million on those products. This video is extra exciting for me because it's actually sponsored, and the star of the show by far in this 5 product face video is this Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palette, and this video is very kindly sponsored by Persona. I don't do a lot of sponsorships. This is the second sponsored video that I've ever done. I've been on YouTube for 6 years. I just don't do a lot of sponsored content. It usually just doesn't feel right to me, and it really feels right to partner with Persona. They really make incredible products, so I'm happy to be partnered with them for today's video, and wait until you see how their Identity 2 palette performs. This does so much heavy lifting in this video. I'm wearing this palette all over my face. A huge thank you to Persona for sponsoring this video and for being a great partner and just for making really incredible high-performing products. So let's go back in time to Amanda with no makeup on, and I will show you how I got this holiday party worthy glam look using only 5 makeup products. I like to start with my base makeup first, the makeup on my face. I know some people are purely eyeshadow first type of people. I am always a face product first type of gal, so I'm starting off with my concealer. I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and I just put a couple of dots around where I wanted to conceal and brighten, and then I'm blending that in just with my fingertip. I have switched over to a fingertip blending method on my concealer over the past few months, and I really feel like this makes such a huge difference with how it looks and just giving me a more natural finish on the skin. So now that I have a little base layer of concealer down, I'm going to go in with a powder foundation. This is the Huda Beauty Glowish powder. This powder was sold with a fluffier little traditional powder brush, but switching it up and using a really dense brush can actually give some decent coverage with this powder, and I just love the finish. It looks really natural and very skin-like. Plus, it's super quick to just slap on with a brush like this, so it looks great and it's really easy to. A bright lipstick is a great way to add some pizzazz without really doing too much work. That's why I chose the ColourPop Lippie Sticks in the shade Byron Babe. And now it's time to get to the real star of the show. This Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palette is going to do so much work. These powders first are being combined to make a little brow powder here. I used the dark brown Brave and then the matte black called Limitless to get my perfect dark brown shade, but you could really mix up any of these colors to perfect that tone for your own brows. And next I'm using the shade Loyal just a little bit at a time for my bronzer. This is very pigmented, so I just touched the tiniest bit on this brush to warm up the face. And now I'm mixing Passionate and Honest to get a little glowy blush look here. Mixing a matte and a shimmer for the blush gives it a little bit more dimensionality, and it also looks really fresh on the skin. So I'm using that same idea for my highlighter. I mixed the white matte shade with the little shimmery pink shade and dusted that all over the face for some dimension. I really love the way that my cheeks look. I can't believe these are eyeshadows. Now we're going to use them actually as eyeshadows, believe it or not. So first I'm just setting some of the residual concealer on my lids with the shade Kind. Then I'm going in with Loyal on a fluffy blending brush and just really quickly putting that in the crease area. I'll go back and blend more later. For now, I'm just sort of laying out the colors. So I'm mixing Loyal and Brave on a small fluffy brush to add some depth to the outer part of the lid, to add a little bit more drama to this eye look and make it deeper, a little bit more glamorous. And then I went back with my original crease brush with no additional product and just blended everything together so that it's more smooth looking on the lid. Now I'm using this bright green shade called Driven and applying that with my fingertip, but you could do this same basic eye look and then just swap out any of the shimmer shades to coordinate with what you're wearing or just, whatever you're feeling that day. Then I curled my lashes and I added some ColourPop Level Up mascara. This is my new favorite mascara of the moment. And that's my finished look. I think this looks so cute. You would never know that this was done using only 5 individual products: concealer, powder, lipstick, 1 palette, and mascara. I think I look fully holiday ready, party ready. I feel glamorous. I feel great. And I had a lot of fun playing with these products, mixing my own colors, and just trying something new with products I already have in my collection. If you're a lighter skin tone than me, you can add some of the Kind color in for the bronzer and for the blush to kind of lighten it. And if you have a deeper skin tone than me, then you can use Brave. So mix these two together for the bronzer. And you can do the same thing, mix these two together for the cheek or for the blush. Instead of mixing Honest and Passionate, you can mix Passionate and Empowered. That would be such a beautiful glowy cheek combo for a deeper skin tone. These palettes are so cool. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm glad to have this series re-emerging on my channel. I hope that this inspires you to pull out some of your favorite multitasking products and maybe try to use them in a different way. And just know that no matter how many products you use in your look, no matter how big your makeup collection is, as long as you're having fun and feeling good, then you're doing it right. That's all there is to it. I would love to hear about your favorite multitasking products. What are your favorite Persona Cosmetics products? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. A big thank you again to Persona Cosmetics, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. There are words that I'm looking for. Can't find them. Maybe I should start over. I cannot believe how good the cheeks look wearing these eyeshadows. They look so good, don't they? I don't think I'm imagining it. I think it really is cute. I just want everyone to know that my earrings and my nail polish match perfectly. I didn't want you to go the rest of the day without knowing that. It's really important. As always, my earrings are from By Milk Line. She's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go edit this video. I love your face so much, and I'm glad you're here, and I think that you look fantastic. If you wear 0 products, if you wear 355 products, or any other number, I just love that little face of yours. That's so cute. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.